There are many small and big kitchen appliances available, but are they all worth buying, or are they really useful for us? You will get all answers in today's video. So without any delay, let's start. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. First in my list is my juicer. This Philips juicer can give you up to 2 liters of juice in one go, and it comes with pre-clean function and rinse away the unwanted fibers. With its quick clean technology, it becomes very easy. Even if you haven't used it for few days, you can just rinse it with water before using. Pulp of fruits collected in one place in the bottom part, and you can use it or dispose it, depends on the fruit or vegetable you are using. For example, when I use carrots and beetroot for juice, I always use the pulp to make stuffed parathas. So totally up to you whether you want to use it or dispose it. I use this for making mixed fruit and vegetable juice also, like you can mix apple, sweet lime, carrot and beetroot, which is very good for everyone's health. Only thing you have to make sure while using Philips juicer is you need to fix it properly before switching on, as it's very powerful and you may create lot of mess if not fixed properly to the counter. It has vacuum knobs in the bottom which helps to hold the juicer properly. Next is Wondershare food processor and atta kneader, which has all-in-one system with several attachments for all your growing needs. It has big jar for milkshakes, two big and small jar for grinding wet and dry, and a chopper and kneader together with different attachments and blades. So how do they work? Is it worth buying these small appliances for your family? I will answer all your question in this video. It has some negative and some positive points. First of all, I really like it for wet and dry grinding. I mostly use it for making pancake batters and for grinding dry masalas, and it worked very nicely, 10 out of 10 for that. But when it comes to chopping and kneading, it's not at all worth. First of all, if you want to knead dough in this, you have to ready to do it again and again, at least twice or thrice if you have a small family of 3, because the jar is very small. Secondly, this machine has no button for on and off. As soon as you fit the jar over this, it will start automatically, and due to that it's very difficult to work with one hand, as with other hand you need to hold the jar and it moves very fast. For chopping also it's very inconvenient, because you have to put veggies also at the same time, you need to hold the jar also. So big no for chopping and kneading. It's good for dry and wet grinding and for making milkshakes. I would rather suggest to buy a big fruit processor if you want to do kneading and chopping on regular basis. You can check some useful kitchen appliances and other household organizers and products from Mera Link online shopping website. Mera Link by Bulbul Shop has variety of kitchen organizers and other household products. Do check the website by just clicking the link from the description box below. Mera Link provides you free delivery and free cash on delivery, along with easy returns and replacement in 5 days. You can also place your order through WhatsApp link given in the video's description. Check the website and avail many exciting discounts and offers. From Mera Link by Bulbul Shop, you will get variety of products at very reasonable price. Do not forget to download the app for easy returns and refunds. This rice cooker I am using from very long time, and nowadays many good options you will get in the market. Rice cooker are very useful in daily cooking. You can make many things other than just rice. I make pulao, vegetables, momos and many other things in this rice cooker. Today I am making peas rice, so I will share that with you. Whenever I make momos next time, we'll try to share that video with you so that you can also get an idea of what all things you can make in rice cooker. So in my rice cooker I have got a nice aluminum bowl for steaming vegetable and other snacks. It has a button which helps to keep the food warm once the cooking is over so that you don't need to reheat the food. There is no negative point I found in using rice cooker. If you are planning to buy one and confused whether to buy or not, then just go for it. It will be very useful addition for your kitchen. One of the smallest and very useful and helpful kitchen appliance is this egg boiler. One must have appliance. If you love egg, then you must have this. It's very easy to boil egg in this egg boiler. I have double layer, single layer is also available. It takes only 10 minutes to get hard boiled eggs, and I really recommend this appliances if you're fed up of boiling eggs in bowl. You must have seen this chopper in many videos. Even in my previous video I have shown this, so I don't have much to say about it. I use it daily for chopping onions, garlic, coriander, and it is perfect chopper and very easy to use, very easy to wash, and its compact size makes it very easy to store also. Very basic and commonly used mixer grinder, but I think this is the best for daily use. If you are not sure which mixer grinder to buy and you want some simple to use appliance, then this one is best for you. You may find this mixer grinder in most of the houses. I hope you found this video helpful for selecting some good and useful appliances for your kitchen. Consider subscribing my channel and give a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you so much for watching.